You can sell digital products and still make a lot of money for yourself if you know how to create them. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 best digital products that you can create from the comfort of your home, from anywhere, without spending much money. You create this and then you host it online and you sell them and you make a lot of money for yourself. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel, I talk about how you can do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you generate money for yourself and grow your business. So make sure that you don't skip any part of this video, because I'm going to share with you 5 best digital products that I recommend that you can start right now and start making money for yourself. So if you have knowledge that you can share, you have a skill, you have an experience that you know that people really want, then this is a video you should watch to the end. Also, if this is your first time or this is your second time and you have not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I'll keep sharing value for you. So, and that's why I'm here. So make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss whatever I share on this channel. So let's quickly get into the video. Let me show you 5 best digital products that you can start selling right away to make money for yourself online. Let's get inside. Number 1 on my list is ebook. You can actually be creating simple step-by-step guides that teach people how to do stuff, and you can charge them anything, let's say $10, $20 for information that can actually solve their problem. For example, you can teach people how to cure a pain. Maybe you can teach them how to actually achieve a goal. Okay, like for example, this one that you're seeing here, this is an example of an ebook that I'm selling currently, and I still make money from it. I actually created this in 2021, and up till date this is still selling for me. Are you seeing this now? So this is something you can create once, because that's the advantage. You create it once and then you can keep selling over and over. In fact, with the new and recent development innovation in AI technology, you can actually use free tools to make this easy for you. In less than 10 minutes, you've created your ebook and you've published it, and you can be selling if you follow all the strategies that you need to follow. Right? So number 1 is ebooks. You can be making short guides. Right? That's number 1. Number 2 is templates. There are people that want to do stuff, they don't know how to do it. You can do a template or simple checklist that shows them exactly what they should be doing. There are templates that you can get online. You don't have to create them yourself. You can go online and download it and recreate it and use them. You can even ask ChatGPT to do it for you. In case you don't know what ChatGPT is, this is the logo of ChatGPT. You can go to your Google Play Store and download it and even test it. This is a tool that I always use most of the time to solve my problem. It solves all the problem of thinking for too long. All right, so that is number 2. Now number 3 is online courses. Online courses can be in the form of video. Most times it is videos. For example, you can create an online course that shows people step-by-step process of how things are done. Now the advantage is that you are showing them how to do these things in a video, so you can make it different modules that people can follow to get results. For example, you see this right here. This is one of the courses I created that is also making me money. All right, so I actually created the ebook, and then I noticed that a lot of people were asking me to show them a video of how this is done. I noticed that if I'm going to be doing this, I can't do it in one video, so I had to break down everything into different modules. So broke them down into different modules, put them together as a course, and then hosted it online and started selling. And this is actually making sales for me. It's actually bringing sales for me. You can also do this. For example, maybe you want to teach people how to bake cake, you want to teach them how to apply for something, you want to teach them how to actually solve a particular problem step by step, and you don't want to just say everything in an ebook, you can go ahead and create a video course for them, so that you don't have to be always there. You don't have to always be repeating yourself all the time. That's the advantage of having a video course. That's the advantage of having an online course. Are you seeing this now? So this is number 3. You can be creating online courses for people and selling online and make a lot of money. The beauty of this is you create once and then you keep selling consistently. That is number 3. Now, before I go to number 4, if you want to learn exactly how I do this, how I create digital products like ebooks and video courses, you want to learn exactly how I do it step by step, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description. Check the link in the description for more information about how you can gain access to all of that. All right, I've broken down these things in a video course that explains everything for you step by step. You can start from scratch and move to when you create your product, and then you move to when you can start earning money from your digital product. It's very easy, but if you don't know the process, you're going to definitely struggle. That's why I've created a step-by-step video guide that shows you everything. Okay, so having said that, let's go to number 4. Number 4 is membership sites or communities. There are people that are making a lot of money from communities. So let's say, for instance, you have something that a lot of people are actually wanting to pay for. So instead of you repeating yourself over and over to people, you can actually create a community. For instance, you can use WhatsApp to create a community. You can use your Telegram to create a community. You can use your website. If you know how to build websites, you can do it. All right, you can have these people in a community, so when they ask questions, you don't have to be stressing yourself. You just go to the community, talk once, and then more than 100 persons, 1,000 persons are hearing you, are seeing you at the same time. That's the advantage of having a community. So number 4 is having a community or a group or a membership site. Now, number 5, that is my final, is AI powered tools. When I say AI powered tools, I mean tools that people can actually use to help them fast track their work very fast. These tools can be guides, it can be templates, it can be simple softwares that helps people to automate their work. And this thing is not really hard. If you know how to use AI tools, it's not really hard. You just need to understand how artificial intelligence works. If you understand all of these things, you can actually help people make their work simpler. For example, business owners might need automations. You can help them create a simple bot. You can help them create a simple software that can help them manage their business, help them respond to people, and actually solve a lot of their business problems. So these are 5 best digital products that you can start creating right now to start making money online. I believe that you have gotten value from this video. If you got value from this video, please make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you tap your notification bell so you won't miss whenever I share content like this. And if you have questions for me, please make sure that you drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.